So the vacuum has the same power suction as the first one, which is 22,000, which is the power of suction. It only has 2 levels of suction, which is medium and high. Full charge is 3.5 hours. Runtime for full power is about 18 minutes, and on medium it's about 30 minutes. So what you get in the box is not much, I have to say. You get a vac, obviously, and the charging dock, 2 attachments, and a USB-C charging cable. Just like the other vacuum cleaner, the build quality is excellent and the materials used are high quality. The performance of the vacuum cleaner is just as good as the other one, I would say. Works great, strong suction. With the attachment, you can get into all the difficult places. I managed to clean the whole of the car on one single charge. So overall, a really good vacuum cleaner. Lacks a little bit compared to the other vacuum cleaner in the sense of attachment. Also, it only has one single use, which is vacuum, compared to the other one where it has dual use. You can use it to inflate stuff. As you can tell from the video, it does an excellent job of cleaning the carpet, and that's really the most important part. Overall, comparing both vacuum cleaners, to be honest, the performance is excellent. I don't think either vacuum cleaner is a bad choice. But overall, a really good vacuum cleaner. Would also recommend it. So if you've made it to the end of the video, please like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, please leave them down below. And until next time, take care. Please forgive the out of sync audio. Unfortunately, I lost the original, so I've had to do a voiceover.